Guys, I am here to show you how to download custom maps on Minecraft Pocket Edition without using a computer. You will need iFile. Really don't care how you get it. You could get it for free from Cydia. And you will need downloads. You could get downloads HD, regular downloads, or downloads light. I prefer download HD. Okay, so what you're going to do, as you can see right here, what I did was you tap at the Google right whenever you do this. It won't work on regular Safari. You have to have downloads. So pretty much, you go on Google, first you click browser, go on Google, and then what you would do, you type in Minecraft, PE, and do whatever maps that you would like. So I'll put Village, so Minecraft Pocket Edition Village. Someone's calling. It's the phone. So, and then you find it where it says MinecraftForum.net. Do not click anything else except for MinecraftForums.net. Okay, then you'll scroll down and look for a download link. As you can see, it has creative or survival. I'll pick survival. And then you could do that and click download. And then you click done whenever that pops out. And then right after that, you would go to downloads. Find the thing that you just downloaded, which is the multi.
It's not looking good to me, so I don't think.
Who is that? And then you click multi. Click Show in File Manager, and then you would find the one you just did, which is right there. Click it, and it's extracting files. Whenever it's extract, you see it right above it, right here. Then you'll exit out of downloads because you don't need to use that anymore. Go to iFile. Let's get out of that. You go to iFile, and you would find Downloads HD app. But before you do that, what you want to do is you're going to do this. You're going to go to VAR, click Mobile, Applications, find Downloads, Documents, and you're going to find this. You're going to keep clicking that until you get to here. Next thing you're going to do, click Edit, tap on each one of these. Make sure that they get checked, see? Click the bottom where the clipboard is, copy/link, done. Now you're going to keep clicking back until you get back to applications. Find Minecraft. Excuse me. Go on documents. Keep clicking this until you get to Minecraft Worlds, which I just clicked. Then you're going to click edit and click the plus sign down at the bottom and make up whatever name you want. I'll just do mini village. And then whenever you hit create, then you're going to click done and find the one that you just did, so mini village. You click edit, click the clipboard, and then paste. Whenever you're done with that, you click done, back out. Then you can pretty much exit out of iFile. Go into your Minecraft Pocket Edition, pretty much go to main menu, and then you'll find it all the way over here. Multi. And to show you that it worked, I'll actually join inside of the map right now. Okay, you spawn with a bunch of stuff. That's cool. And then here is the map. I have stuff like this. This is actually kind of cool, so I'll show you around. And yeah, see? That's pretty much it. You guys could do this however you would like. Well, download it like I did, but then you could download any map you would like. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.